In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to use the automatic posting feature for Twitter. Everything in detail, and it's very easy to follow. Even if this is your first time using the tool, before posting, we first need to prepare the content. I go to the content management section. Here, I click add new content and start writing my tweets. I usually prepare multiple tweet variations in advance. If you want to be safer, you can use content spinnings so that different accounts don't post identical content. After finishing the content, I save it. Next, I move to the post function. Here, I select the X accounts that I want to run automatic posting on. Then, I choose the tweet content that I prepared earlier. The next step is time scheduling. I set the interval between posts, for example, a few minutes between each tweet. This break time is very important because it makes the posting behavior look more like a real user and helps avoid spam detection. After that, I set the number of running threads. If your accounts are still new, I recommend using fewer threads and not running too many accounts at the same time. For well-warmed accounts, you can gradually increase the number. In the post configuration section, you can customize how many posts each account publishes, allow or disallow duplicate posts, add hashtags, tag users, and even set interactions. After posting, once everything is set up, I simply click Start. At this point, the tool automatically opens a separate browser for each account. The software logs into Twitter and starts posting tweets exactly according to the scenario we configured. You can watch the entire process live on your screen. The tool posts automatically, so you don't need to sit and wait or do any manual work. All you need to do is sit back and monitor the process.